Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
The Aussie dollar pair dropped further down this week. And it's ready for another drop down to test the bottom of the channel. And if this channel fails to hold, we think that we can see further downside. This coming week should be rather choppy as the market tries to find its direction. So for the bear case, one more drop down to test the bottom of the channel at around 0.725 is needed before consolidation to find the next big move. This move can be either to the downside or to the upside. Now for the bull case from here, the correction upwards may be stronger. Before the dump comes, the price around 0.73711 is going to be good for a short if this scenario plays out. Right? We expect to see some choppiness here before either upside or break down to the downside for the larger move. Right? But if you're a scalper, you can go in for this smaller move straight. This upside has horrible risk reward potential. You could go for a down for a short from here and then try and see what happens here. You could go for a long and then if it breaks out, go for the downside.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.